What's up, everybody? We're gonna show you guys and gals how to get your tow dolly together once you receive it. So, number one, you're gonna have your fenders, which are gonna be disassembled, and you already have your bolts and nuts right here, like so. You have your tires for both sides. Where are the lug nuts?
I'm gonna put them back on here when we're done.
They're gonna be located on here once you receive. And then you also have your front tongue. Now you've got your nuts and bolts right here. This pin is gonna go, where's that go, Dan?
The pin goes in this hole right here.
Okay. And then
This bolt connects these two
connects
angle arms.
those two, and they go where?
Right here, angle.
On an angle like so.
Tongue.
And then the tongue there. Very easy, okay? And then, what do we have in here?
Straps and a manual. Straps and a title.
So you got your straps and your MSO title, and then of course your fender, like we said, like so, goes through here, here, which is here and here, there and there. And that
Lights go to the back.
is pretty much it. You've got your brake lights that go on the back, so where your ramps go, your brake lights go. Is that it?
That's it.
That's it. Pretty simple. Again, these go right there. Pretty easy. Again, come like so. And then again, your tongue here comes out. This faces forward. Let us know with any questions.